Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. US dollar sells higher as markets price in hefty Fed rate hike. In six paragraph correct to show the dollar is on track in 2022 to pass its largest yearly percentage gain in 38 years, not 18. New York, the dollar rose against major currencies on Monday, trading within narrow range ahead of a slew of central bank meetings this week led by the Federal Reserve, which is likely to raise interest rates by another 75 basis points (bps). Volume was light overall, with markets in London and Tokyo closed for public holidays. World stock markets remained on edge, however, and the dollar maintained its firm tone given expectations that the Fed would maintain its aggressive tightening path until next year to contain stubbornly high inflation. Fed funds futures have priced in an 81% change of a 75 bps rate hike this week and a 19% probability of a 100 increase at the conclusion of the U.S. Central Bank's two-day policy meeting, according to Revenue data. The dollar index, which measures the currency against six counterparts, was up 0.1% at 109.62, not far from 20-year high of 110.79 hit on September 7th. Since the beginning of the year, the dollar index has surged 14.7% on track for its best yearly percentage gain in 38 years. Generally, the trend is your friend until the bend in the end. The dollar is going to follow that pretty well, said Amos Sahwata, executive director at FX consulting firm Clarity FX in San Francisco. Will there be more dollar strength before the FOMC or Federal Open Market commits? I think the market is going to pull a little bit here. I will go into a holding pattern and some consolidation, he added. This week is also smattered with holidays that could thin liquidity and result in sharper price moves, with Japan and Britain off on Monday, Australia on Thursday, and Japan again on Friday, among others. In other currencies, the euro was little changed against the dollar at $1.21. Sterling slipped 0.1% to 1.14 and $24 and within sight of Friday's 37-year low of 1.135 and 10, while the New Zealand fell 0.6% to 0.59 and 58 dollar United States. Earlier in the season, the New Zealand unit fell to its lowest since May 2020 of 0.59 and 33 dollar United States. The Canadian dollar fell to its lowest in almost 2 years to $1.33 and $54 per US dollar. The US dollar last changed hands at 1.32 and $58 flat on the day. Against the yen, the dollar rose 0.2% to 143.80%, $80, hovering beneath a strong resistance level at 145 that has been reinforced by Japanese policymakers and talk of currency intervention. The Bank of Japan is widely expected to stick with massive stimulus as at its meeting on Wednesday and Thursday, keeping its ultra-loose policy in place. But a turning point in Japanese monetary policy may come sooner than has been thought, with the central bank recently dropping the word temporary for its description of elevated inflation. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.